Are we alone in the universe, or is there other intelligent life out there? This is the existential question that has intrigued and puzzled humanity for centuries. Today, we stand divided into two main camps: those who ardently believe in the existence of extraterrestrial life, and those who remain skeptical. In this video, we will take a balanced look at both sides of this fascinating debate, exploring the arguments and evidence presented by each. So, buckle up as we delve into this cosmic mystery. First, we turn our gaze towards the cosmos, to the believers, and their reasons. Believers in extraterrestrial life often point to the sheer vastness of the universe as their first argument. It's a place of cosmic wonder, a seemingly endless expanse of galaxies, stars, and planets. With an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the universe, each containing billions of stars, the numbers alone are staggering. Within those galaxies, there are countless planets, many of which could be similar to our own Earth. This vast expanse teems with possibilities, and for many, it's a statistical improbability that we are the only intelligent life form in existence. The number of potentially habitable planets further strengthens the believer's case. Astronomers have identified thousands of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, some of which exist in what scientists call the Goldilocks zone. This is the region around a star where conditions could be just right for life as we know it. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right. In addition to the vastness of the universe and the existence of potentially habitable planets, believers often cite credible UFO sightings as further evidence of alien life. These encounters, reported by people from all walks of life, including pilots, astronauts, and even military personnel, describe unidentified objects with capabilities far beyond our current understanding of physics and technology. Believers also lean on scientific theories to fortify their position. Take the Drake equation, for instance. Proposed by astrophysicist Frank Drake in the early 1960s, this equation attempts to estimate the number of advanced civilizations in our galaxy. Even with conservative inputs, the equation suggests that there are likely many civilizations out there, somewhere. Then there's the Fermi paradox, a concept that juxtaposes the high probability of extraterrestrial life with the lack of contact or evidence. Where is everybody? That's the question physicist Enrico Fermi famously asked, giving rise to this paradox. Some interpret the Fermi paradox as evidence against the existence of extraterrestrial life, but others see it as a compelling mystery, a cosmic puzzle waiting to be solved. In considering these points, it's important to remember that belief in extraterrestrial life doesn't require proof. It's a hypothesis, an interpretation of the available evidence. And while we may not have definitive proof yet, the believers argue that the universe's vastness, the abundance of potentially habitable planets, the credible UFO sightings, and the theories like the Drake equation and Fermi paradox all point towards the possibility, if not the probability, of extraterrestrial life. As you can see, believers hold a compelling case, but what about the skeptics? Now let's pivot and examine the skeptics' perspective. The skeptics, just like the believers, have an array of reasons backing their stance. Let's delve into some of those reasons. Firstly, many skeptics point out the lack of concrete evidence supporting the existence of extraterrestrial life. While there have been unexplained phenomena, these are not necessarily indicative of alien life. They could be attributed to a variety of earthly phenomena, from atmospheric conditions to human-made aircraft. Skeptics argue that without irrefutable scientific evidence, the existence of aliens remains within the realm of speculation and conjecture. The vastness of space is another factor skeptics take into account. It's no secret that space is incredibly vast. Even if we consider our own galaxy, the Milky Way, it's so large that light, the fastest thing we know of, takes 100,000 years to travel from one end to the other. And our galaxy is just one among billions in the universe. The distances are so great that even if there were civilizations out there, the chances of them being able to bridge these cosmic distances seem unlikely. Next, we have the argument that life may be incredibly rare. Earth's conditions are just right for life as we know it. It's in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot and not too cold, with the right atmospheric conditions and abundance of water. The chances of another planet having the exact conditions necessary for life might be exceedingly slim. Skeptics argue that life may not be a cosmic imperative but rather a rare and precious phenomenon. Now, let's talk about the Great Filter Theory, a concept that fascinates both skeptics and believers alike. This theory suggests that at some point in the evolution of a civilization, there's a barrier or filter that's hard to cross. This could be anything from a natural disaster to self-destruction through war or environmental damage. If this theory holds, it could explain why we haven't encountered any aliens. They might have existed, but didn't survive their own great filter, or perhaps we're ahead, having passed our great filter while other civilizations are yet to reach that point. But there's a more ominous possibility: maybe we are yet to face our great filter, and if most civilizations fail at this point, it doesn't bode well for our future. The silence of the cosmos might not be a mystery, but a warning. The skeptics too present a strong argument. So where does this leave us? As we move forward, we continue to grapple with the question of our solitude or lack thereof in the universe. The skeptic's point of view provides us with a sobering take on the possibilities. But the search for extraterrestrial life goes on, fueled by our insatiable curiosity and the tantalizing possibility that we might not be alone. Despite the differences, both sides have one thing in common: the search continues. The pursuit for extraterrestrial life is unending, and it has inspired a multitude of missions and projects. Some of them are already in progress, while others lie in the future, waiting to be launched into the vast expanse of the universe. Let's start with the Mars rover missions. These robotic explorers have been tirelessly roaming the Martian surface for over 2 decades, analyzing rock samples, taking stunning photos, and searching for signs of past or present life. The intrepid rovers, like Perseverance and Curiosity, have become our eyes and ears on the red planet, scrutinizing every nook and cranny for possible evidence of life. But it's not just Mars that's under our watchful gaze. The search for exoplanets, planets beyond our solar system, is another promising avenue. Scientists are using cutting-edge telescopes to spot these distant worlds. Some of these exoplanets are located in the Goldilocks zone, a region around a star where conditions might be just right for life as we know it. If we find a planet with conditions similar to Earth, it could potentially host life. Then there's the SETI, or the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence project. This project, which has been ongoing for more than 50 years, uses enormous radio telescopes to listen for signals from space. While we haven't received an alien hello just yet, the project is continually refining its methods and expanding its search. It's like finding a needle in a cosmic haystack, but if there's a message out there, SETI is ready to receive it. These projects, along with countless others, represent our relentless pursuit of answers. They embody our curiosity, tenacity, and determination to understand our place in the universe. The question, "Are we alone?" has driven us to the farthest reaches of our solar system and beyond, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and technology. While the truth remains elusive, the quest for answers continues to fuel our exploration of the cosmos. As our journey comes to an end, we find ourselves back at our initial question. We've traversed the cosmos through the minds of believers who hold on to the tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial life. They point to the vastness of the universe, the myriad of stars, each potentially hosting its own world, its own life. They highlight the mounting evidence, from the unexplained phenomena to the intriguing discoveries of exoplanets, in zones habitable for life as we know it. Yet we've also journeyed through the realm of skeptics. They demand concrete evidence, something tangible and irrefutable. They remind us that extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. They emphasize that while the universe is vast, so are the distances and the challenges in finding and reaching extraterrestrial life. It's a cosmic tug-of-war between possibility and proof, between what we believe and what we know. Yet this very tension fuels our ongoing search. It drives our curiosity, our exploration, our science. It propels us to peer deeper into the cosmos, to listen more carefully for the cosmic whispers, to reach further into the unknown. Are we alone in the universe? The question echoes across space and time. Perhaps the answer lies not in the stars, but in our relentless pursuit of knowledge. And so, as we continue to gaze at the night sky, we carry with us the hope, the mystery, the quest. Until the next time, keep looking up.